What's up, guys? We're back out here at the old house remodel. If you want to walk in here real quick, got a lot of stuff done, dude. All these walls framed up, all this floor. A lot of hard work, dude.
Really is, yeah.
But what we're about to get to right now is we're about to level this floor the rest of the way, dude. And then we got to put some bridging in for our plywood, and we'll show you all that.
Sure.
Alright, I just want to take a second to kind of explain to y'all like what's going on here. This is bridging, and basically it just like supports where your plywood is seamed, where it don't like give any where it's seamed, you know?
Yeah, where it doesn't like wobble and stuff.
It's pretty simple though, I mean.
Yeah, basically pretty simple, man.
We just got to do this all the way down and then all the way over every 4 foot.
Yes, sir.
So that's what we're going to do. Alright, so we got this whole first row done. And we're doing rows every 4 feet. And I wanted to kind of explain why we have all these braces right here. Basically because we don't have the siding on to keep it sturdy, you know, keep it rigid. And this just keeps it all sturdy and together, you know, kind of attaches it.
Yeah.
Yeah, but we're just going to keep repeating the process, doing the rows like that. I'll show you all that. We got this roll done right here. Now all we gotta do is do a roll of plywood, and then we just repeat the process all the way through.
Yeah, before we do that though, we got to knock out these braces right here.
Well, we knock them out as we go, and then we nail them down to the plywood.
Alright, so for this one we have to actually use different nails, right?
Yeah, dude, they're called ring shank nails, and they just have those little rivets on them, and it just really helps hold stuff down there. It's almost impossible to get these suckers out.
Yeah, especially since this is warped right here. It'll help take out that warp, you know?
Yeah. Slapping this stuff down, you know, it's going pretty dang quick. If I do say so myself, though. I mean, we only got 2 sheets, but I haven't had much time invested in it, though.
I mean, it's a pretty small house, so it shouldn't take too long
No,
to finish it up, man.
shouldn't take too long. But like we said, we gotta go get some small boards to nail these right here back on, like that right there, just to brace up the walls, you know, and then you nail the board straight down like that, and then nail this back on the wall, and then we're just gonna do that.
Yes, sir.
We got all this done, as you can see, the whole roll down, and also we moved all that lumber over there so we can start with our next bridging. But we ran into a few problems, so go ahead and explain that, Dad.
Well, what happened is this foundation was actually built about 2 inches out of square, and so when we started our first sheet, we got it square with this wall and this wall, and then so when we started putting our next sheets on, we just had to cut the edge of them off to keep our line straight all the way down.
Yeah.
Make our plywood come out even.
Yeah, because if we didn't do that, every sheet would be off until we got to the edge over there. So
We got this first row knocked out and straight, so now all we gotta do is put our next layer of bridging and just continue on.
all right, man. So what's going on with this plumbing right here?
Dude, it's like right in the way. As you can see, it's like way far up, so we're gonna have to cut it down underneath there and get it out of our way, dude.
Yeah, we're just gonna use a sawzall, right?
Right, and just knock that sucker right out of our way.
Yes, sir.
Alrighty guys, that's gonna wrap up the video for today. Basically we got a lot done. I mean, it went kind of slow today because we had to get this whole thing level all the way down, you know, but it was quite a bit of work because we only worked for a couple hours today, you know.
Yeah, because we had to go get the plywood too, so.
Right, yeah, and it was like, what, an hour and a half away.
Yeah. But basically we just wanted to show you all the progress up here. It's crazy how much we've got done though.
Yeah, it is pretty crazy.
Yeah, if y'all remember, all these walls were like falling in and there was no flooring at all anywhere, and we got all that done.
Yeah, and tomorrow we're going to be putting 2 more rows in, and then we have to shore up these walls before we can take all down the big beams right here, the big braces.
Right, we have to actually we put the siding on first.
Yeah, we have to go get
to where just where the walls can't rock very much, you know.
Because without the siding and stuff, these things rock pretty easy. I mean, we have these braced up, but you see that right there, man?
Yeah, and once we put the siding on, it makes it all rigid like one piece.
Right, yeah. But I mean, that's all the time we have for today, guys. Make sure y'all like and subscribe and check out our TikTok at Acorn Ridge. And we'll catch you guys on the next one.